huge opportunity. Many millionaires will be made. And yes, I do believe that. I do genuinely believe that many millionaires will be created from this opportunity that we have in the market right now. Because the prices that we've got right now in the market are just ridiculously good, right? I'd like to be buying up as much as possible right now. I don't really have that much money left to buy, and I've got to worry about doing my taxes soon, which is unfortunate. But I do want to try and accumulate as much more as I can, because I don't think we're going to get these prices for too much longer. I mean, it's only thanks to Trump and his tariffs that we're getting the prices this low, right? Once everything kind of calms down with Trump's tariffs and everything, then the market's going to resume bullish again, right? Because everybody's just panicking, and you know, everybody's just going crazy over Trump and his tariffs and everything, which is why the market's crashing, right? Or was crashing. Now it's kind of looks like it could be bottoming out, and we're kind of seeing some pumps, right? So obviously we had the crashes back here, and now it's just kind of going sideways a little bit, you know. So maybe it's a bottom here, you know. The market's kind of, the market feels better right now, right? Because we had the initial panic from the tariffs, and then everybody just panic sold like instantly, right? So we're kind of already over that, right? The big move already happened. Everybody just panic sells like really fast, right? So the big move's that's probably it. It probably ain't gonna go lower, although it could. Trump's got some tariffs being implemented on the 2nd of April, I think, so we'll have to see what happens. Maybe it can come down slowly, but the big downwards move is over, in my opinion, right? I think. And Bitcoin's, I think with Bitcoin we could be going sideways on Bitcoin potentially for the upcoming months, right? And we've got the bull market trend line here, right? This is the bull market trend line, and if this just goes sideways, right, and just kind of, you know, or whatever, maybe a loopy loop, and we hit here, right, that takes us to the end of 2025. So we go sideways until the end of the year, then we bounce off this trend line, and that would be perfect timing for the 4-year cycle for the next big leg up, right, up to potentially 150k or so, right? Although personally I recommend taking profits on this next move up, because we saw how quickly this crashed, right? So as we move further up in the bull run, it's going to crash even harder, right? The further you go up, the harder it's going to crash, right? So on this next leg up, I'll definitely be taking some profits on your altcoins. Maybe not on Bitcoin. If you hold Bitcoin, maybe just hold Bitcoin, right? But yeah, I'm going to be taking out some profits up here, I think, and yeah, I'll leave some in case we go higher, right? Because there is a chance that Bitcoin could go a lot higher, and maybe we get a huge altcoin season as well because of it. Because if the strategic reserve Bitcoin bill gets passed, right, and the USA actually starts buying up 1 million Bitcoin, then Bitcoin's probably going to go much higher than this. So, you know, I probably wouldn't sell everything, but up to 150k once we pass over the all-time high at 109k, you know, on the way to 150k, in that range, I'd definitely be looking to take some profits, right? So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm thinking about doing anyway, but we'll see when the time comes. Maybe things will be going differently at the time. You never know how the market's going to be yet. You can't really plan ahead perfectly, right? You have to kind of adapt. Right? But yeah, we've got mega cheap prices and all these coins, right? Everything's down to pretty much bear market lows. I mean, Sei's down to 2 cents. It was at over $1. Tau's at $250. It was at 800. Kaspa was at 20 cents. Now it's at 8 cents, and it even got down to 5 cents, right? And some of these meme coins as well. Bonk's massively down. Whiff massively down. Even Peppy. Yeah, Popcat's a good one. Popcat just recently got listed on Robinhood as well, by the way. So Popcat's looking like a good one, because Popcat recently got listed on Coinbase. It got listed on Robinhood like a week ago. So, and you know, this cat's like it's more popular. Like these kind of cat coins are more popular in China, right? But China's huge, so this coin's going to appeal to the Chinese community. So I think Popcat can do really well. But yeah, just all these meme coins are on huge discounts, and when the market turns around and moves upwards again, you know, we're going to see, if you're down a lot right now from when the crash happened, right, when we got the crash here, if you're down a lot from that crash, then you're going to see your gains come back just as fast, providing you're in the right coins, right? Obviously some coins won't go back up, but a lot of them will go back up, right? And you'll see your portfolio go back to straight back where it was, and even beyond, like within the same amount of time. That, like, obviously we got this big pump here, right? Boom, and the market pumped with that. You saw H bar do like a 10x and XRP do a 10x and all this stuff. Like things go up just as fast as they go down, right? So right now we're going through the shitty part of crypto investing, right? But you got to take the smooth with the rough, take the rough with the smooth, whatever the saying is, because this is just how it is in crypto, right? If you want the huge outsized gains, you have to be willing to stomach the downside too, right? Because it's just very volatile in nature. So yeah, definitely don't panic sell at the bottoms. If you did sell at the top back here, then congratulations, now you get to buy back in at cheaper prices. Lucky you. I wish I did the same, right? But I think we're going higher than this though, like I say. So yeah, I think the only way is up from here pretty much. I mean, we could go down a little bit, like I said, but I don't think it's going to be crazy down now. And yeah, and then we just got up to look forward to, like whether that's later in the year or whenever. I think eventually we're going to get there, right? So, and then once Bitcoin breaks through its all-time high, the total 3 or the total 2, both of these charts pretty much, the total 2 and the total 3 are probably going to come back up to the all-time high, right? And they're probably going to break it, right? If we get a big move on Bitcoin up towards 150k, these charts are probably going to break out. And once these charts break out, then the others chart breaks out, which is basically the shitcoin chart, right? And once all of these charts break out, all the altcoin charts, right, then this is when FOMO is going to hit for the altcoins, right? And we're probably going to get the altcoin season. So simple as that. Bitcoin's going to make a big move, and I think the altcoin seasons, I think it's coming. I'm still a believer. I think it's coming, right? Bitcoin will make a move. Bitcoin dominance will break down, because we did briefly have that, right? We briefly had Bitcoin breaking down, Bitcoin dominance breaking down, but we came back up, right? Again, thanks to Trump and his stupid tariffs, right? So, but yeah, sooner or later, once this blows over, this is going to break down after Bitcoin runs, and then probably going to come down here into this box somewhere, and then yeah, all of these charts, total 2, total 3, others chart, yeah, these are gonna break out, and everything's probably going to explode. Just got to stay strong and ride through the volatility, right? That's what you signed up for when you got into crypto. You knew that that's what it was like, right? You didn't think it was going to be just easy money, did you? No, obviously there's some risk involved and there's stress involved, otherwise everybody would be doing it, right? If you like the video, then please drop me a like and consider subscribing to keep up with my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.